Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Mix. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the mono and stereo mixer nodes. These nodes are exclusively audio input-output nodes and are available in 2 to 8 channels. The functionality of these nodes is pretty straightforward and are designed to combine audio signal sources. Because we cannot copy and paste our default output node, it's essential to sum together all of the audio sources that you want to hear when playing your MetaSound. So if we have 3 square generators with their frequencies tuned to the individual notes of a C major chord, by themselves we would just hear a single note. However, when summed together, we hear all 3 notes played at the same time and we get our C major. We also have the ability to set the amplitude levels of each individual channel. Think of this as having an input gain knob for every input channel of an audio interface. This is what helps us blend all of the sound sources together and to make sure that the combined output isn't too loud or too soft for the project. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.